National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio, open waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 nautical miles northwest of Monroe Harbor to 16 nautical miles west of North Cape to 30 nautical miles southwest of Luna Pier, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Reno Beach, Put-in Bay, and Kelly's Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Up 9 feet. Wednesday, west gales to 35 knots. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Detroit has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Monroe County and southeastern Michigan, south central Wayne County and southeastern Michigan, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Flat Rock, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Flat Rock around 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Newport, Gibraltar, Astral Beach, South Rockwood, Woodhaven, Rockwood, Brownstown Township, and Waltz. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Monroe, Michigan,